Hi everyone, my name is Feeley and I'm a sales executive here at Bleckwen, helping to fuel our international expansion. And I'm very excited to speak with you about all things Bleckwen today. So at Bleckwen, we are a French fintech. We're a team of around 20 international employees today and continuing to grow by the day. We were founded in 2019, but we've actually been around much longer than that, as we originated as a special projects team within a larger French cybersecurity company. So we've been around for quite a bit now as a team. At Bleckwen, we build powerful fraud models for our clients, lenders, and financial institutions to catch fraudulent applications for loans and to rapidly save money ultimately. So what is the problem that we're tackling here at Bleckwen? Well, lenders and banks are unknowingly lending millions to fraudsters every year. And there's far greater consequences than just the financial losses. So the fraudsters are using this stolen money to fund terrorism, to fund cartels. So the reputational damage, I would say, is actually much more difficult to quantify than the fraud losses alone. And the big problem that we found at Bleckwen and why we exist today is that despite organizations having a number of sort of traditional tools in place here to detect fraud, 10 to 20% of fraud is typically still slipping through the net when it comes to loan applications, despite existing solutions in place. So we were created really to tackle this 10 to 20% of fraud that is still slipping through despite everything else in place here. And this 10 to 20% can run into hundreds of thousands, if not millions in euros in losses in a year. So it's not a small number that we're talking here. And what we found is that traditional solutions are too generic to keep up with fraudsters' ever-evolving methods. We developed our lending fraud detection service as we realized this was a major hidden problem for a lot of banks and lenders, an area where they were unnecessarily losing a lot of money and where they needed a more bespoke solution in order to catch the fraud slipping through, and they needed a quick win that wouldn't take a lot of time or resources on their end. So what are we doing at Bleckwen? Applying artificial intelligence, more specifically machine learning, we built a real-time scoring engine to catch these fraudsters. We built our technology actually in partnership with BNP Paribas, which I'd say is quite unique for a fintech. And I would say it really speaks volumes to the kind of scale and capacity that we are built at and that a tier 1 bank has upon us. Today, we're also working with Renault Bank in the Renault-Nissan Alliance, as well as Carrefour Bank, the largest supermarket bank here in Europe. We're working with them on personal loans and revolving credit. So at Bleckwen, we provide a simple and easy to integrate SaaS API with 2 endpoints. Your credit applications feed into it, and you receive a score for each and every application. But not only do you receive a numerical fraud score, but you actually receive the explainability alongside each score. So you're going to receive the actual reason behind the score. So it's not just a black box, but you can actually see into it and understand the decision, which is important for the regulators, of course, and also just reducing friction there to make a decision faster for that loan application. Ultimately, we're providing a powerful but lightweight solution to quickly save customers money and bring them a quick win in the fraud department. While we're of course tackling this issue of hidden fraud, we're also solving problems such as low detection rates, high false positives, and of course the residual fraud slipping through other solutions. In terms of customer use cases, so today we're working with large tier 1 banks, direct lenders, auto finance companies, and we're actually exploring right now utilities and insurance as well. As an illustration, a recent auto finance customer invested a little over 4 hours of time into an initial fraud assessment with us. We proceeded to save them 30,000 euros in their first week and 200,000 in their first month of using our solution. You can find a public testimonial and case study for Carrefour Bank on our website in the revolving credit and personal loans area. So I would say with Bleckwen, the ROI is very clear to see. We provide a 400% ROI to all of our customers, but we also did a bit more than that. So we decreased significant customer friction by revealing fraud from the start and taking away from timely checks and investigations down the line. So this is very important as well. As a proof of concept, we offer a free high-level fraud assessment to all those who are interested. We like to say the proof is in the product here at Bleckwen. So during this high-level fraud assessment, we'll work together at the beginning to ensure that we understand your business constraints, your data, and then on our end, we'll go ahead, we'll build your AI fraud model. We'll run the results and we'll come back to you with projections of exactly how much we're going to be able to save you moving forward, how much you're losing in unknown fraud losses right now. And it's quite unique as well, our pricing at Bleckwen, as we stipulate it based on how much money we're actually going to save you. So we also get this from that initial fraud assessment. And it's pretty cool because all projects are actually ultimately self-funded by the fraud losses saved here. So why do our customers choose us at Bleckwen? Our customers choose us because we save them money, first of all. Second, we do it quickly. And ultimately, because it's low effort and low risk on their side. We have a rapid time to value with our free 1-month assessment. At the end of this assessment, again, their AI fraud model is ready to start rolling and saving money from day one as a Bleckwen customer. We provide ongoing model optimization, so our AI models are updated regularly by our expert data science team at Bleckwen. And ultimately, at the end of the day, the faster you start using Bleckwen, the faster you're going to start saving money. So don't hesitate to reach out for any questions or information. We're happy to speak with you about how Bleckwen AI fraud models can rapidly bring you a quick win in the fraud department. Thank you so much for listening. Take care. Cheers. Bye.